Dancehall forever. Yo, walk the walk, talk the talk, dark with dark, war start, fire. Boom, boras, glad. Explosion in the dancehall. Only did I ask it, what you missing make a fire firewood, and make a fire and burn a fire wicked, and I say, man, I figure right song feel vendetta boss. Only I feel forward again and say, yo, and the wickedest thing this, and the bravest, baddest artist this me ever see. Yo, people, make sure you say you're not doing nothing do. You see me? When I know say over here some, we do the reviews and we don't keep it fast, we keep it 100, you hear that? So these people them did a wait. People know them get to them did a ask her. So now ALKALINE again. With a big bad tune. See me? Lyrics them in this crazy cause the man all say boy 1,000 girl per rotation. 1,000 girl per rotation. See? And me I say, Georgia, me see girl in them out there go crazy. Me I say, yo, what are YouTube? I say, yo, ALKALINE just big up the girl in them. And me I say, yo, remember, you know, one thing me can't tell you about vendetta boss. If you don't see this. The man now make nothing want to say about them. And everything want to say about vendetta boss. Vendetta boss, I gotta use it back creatively. And make a bag of money and get more rich. It's amazing. Oh, a person can say something about you. Alright? It take confidence for a person. You say something about you. See? And you can just do some oops. Okay. I use the same thing when I say. And just put it back on. Ain't too many people can do that. It's funniest thing about this whole thing. You know, people like to say this and that about people. But answer one of the most hypocritical thing. And just 2 days ago, you know, see, I just see some people. I go and like say, boy, them not rate alcohol. Now everybody jump on the wave again. And I have to make up on the mind, you know. Either we're not gonna be fans or we're not gonna be one day pala. You know, some pala about people and people. You know. Now we can't have that going on there, you know. And with the real song are full of subliminal, full of this, like brother. The man that sure say him rich, rotten rich. And I even them further. See? No more no. That line that them say, I just get a hype. And disappear or something. Who that line they go for? Like, brother, the whole song is full of energy. You see me? Full of energy right now, me I tell you, say, the vendetta fans, them are going on way right now, when I tell you, say, people. But I will be careful when I say about ALKALINE right now on that street. The man that show you say right now, him not take chat from nobody. You see me? The man that show you say the only person who could have chat to him. You see me? Not there no more. You see me? The man that show you say right in peace. Anybody can get it. You see, ALKALINE is about business, panda one. ALKALINE not take no prisoner. You see me? When the man go as far as to say, boy, 1,000 girl in a rotation. Forward and I say, boy, we see a princess forward and I say, boy, the man and a girl and very and attack gay things, you see me? And ALKALINE just do some pops and drop it in them song. So it's like anything, anybody has to say on the internet, ALKALINE just counteract it. Phenomenal work, you see me? So, this is what I want to know still. What want to talk? I want to know if you drop it in the comment section, the real life. What do you feel about that song? See me? Because what yeah, people them did a talk like say boy the song is going to hit #1 and by the next year when I see what go on. So I want to drop on a real chat in the comment section. You see me? Which artist are going to drop a song better than this right now? You know what I mean? Because that song is tough. Everybody a talk about that song. You see me? The man that should say, yo, you are the key man in the business. You see me? So, the man that should say right now, for some artists, we're scared. The man are one of them. The man that show you say, if a war, and it not stop. The man that say, yo, basically it's like some kamikaze. Basically that the man that say. Because anything, all out. You see, in another song, it actually say, if a lyrical, a war. And if a physical, a war. You see, vendetta out a road right now. I go on to them things. You see me? People I'm tell us that the artist is one of the slickest still. You see me? Think about it. The man I sure say a bounty killer him respond to right. They say no people you can't tell me nothing. The man I say try to war me, I bring out the army. You see me? The man say try to style me very corny. Brother. Who try to style him out here? Yeah. The man I shoot after everything, brother. You see me? The man I sure say right now, you don't have to wait to fall out. Just be out. You see me? Yo, it crazy over there, brother. You see me? The man I turn up in dancehall right now, brother. ALKALINE tell no one a friend with nobody. You see? Yeah, it's just funny to me still because the man them a move like say boy, them don't know say when they forward to making some wicked song. ALKALINE. Always, brother. I forward they fire them. You see me? Regardless of people want to say cause everybody stay in them own lane and do them other still. I don't speak with no bias. I do honest review. See me? I review. Whoever you see me review, brother, I don't keep nothing bias. 100%. I just speak how me feel. You see me? I mean I say when I review when I look on some reviews sometime I say, no brother, some of them man I keep it 100, you see me? Yeah. I'm not to be your artist, brother, for you say boy. Yo, that's 100% brother. I fire that, you see me? Right now people selfish away with it has to be for them artists, for them accept say boy, yo that work is amazing. You see me? You know what I mean? I have to give people them props, my G, you see it? So I could have any other artist this forward right now and do some fire. But I talk about the same thing. You see me? Yeah man, that's what I do my thing. And with that said, that song is still we're gonna see who I got answer cause with the subliminal them in it, you see me? Cause all one when I talk about say man I sing like quicksand, you see me? Artists get a hype and sing like quicksand. Who sing like quicksand? People don't drop it in the comment section. Who no feel say that bar they go after? You see me? Cause the man look like him just load up in clip and turn on him rifle and just say, yeah, give me my name and look over them and just say, yo, the man that went up the whole place and be here. The man that saying cool like that I'm here. But not here, brother. The man they for one rate right now. See me? I mean I said to myself, remember, you know, I just what they have. In the interview, one in a cuss about so much, the man they tell them say him have some things we are gonna release right now, we are gonna shake up the place and they look like say boy. It did fly over them head, them they ain't really you see me them they just stuck ALKALINE say you can't style like nah go work. You see me? Now watch the internet I pay that them follow. So who that go for? See me? Pay wicked subliminal, you see me? So the man all say boy use my name to get a viral. Carney. Who use who for name what they are for academics. So it's a lot of things we are add up. You see me? This Virginia bro, the man get to work. You see me? Man get to work and it a show up on the craft say yo this Virginia really thought about them things really deep and say yeah hear me? Them a talk too much. Time to make them stop all this talking and listen. And them a listen. Wonderful job. It's just now who are gonna respond. You see me? Cause that song, brother, it can point any which way. Or one of them track there, we can just point any which way, cause remember you know, the man have whole heap of options. It can receive in a many different fashion right now. A whole heap of people probably say oh them matter. You see me? Yeah. Be interesting the people, you see me? Yeah. One thing to do one thing. Subscribe. Smash the like. Yeah, no comment. With that said, the man that say yo, them look like them a warrior, but them innocent. Fuck Charlie. Damn the glasses to this. The dog say, them look like them a warrior, but them innocent. You see me? The man has raised right now, bro G. Who that go? Cause me and a man I say, yo, that a fi massacre. I say, oh, massacre dropping at this. I say, dancehall, just, a dancehall forever. And people them love the fuck, you see me, so. Who knows? It can be for massacre too, we never know. You understand? As when the man I sure say, I'm not holding a prisoner enough, so I can't fit anybody. The man I sure say, I'm cool like Vladimir. You see me, David, so. You have to see the level of people. You see me? When you follow the entertainment right now, my people, it the eyes right now, you see me? And we have to say yes, big up the artist, them big up ALKALINE. You have to do something wonderful right now, cause just 2 days ago, them a beat you at a baiting. And now the same people them will beat you. I congratulate you. And I say, boy, you are the wickedest thing, the bravest thing in the dance. So obviously, you don't want to prove them wrong, but as we say still, some of them are not 100. And why I left them around join the vendetta and they not get the pass. I don't know. Interesting still, isn't it? Yeah, very interesting stuff. People, right now, this is money code. And me I tell you, say, that shot, yo, you go weak out if every day you give a strength. Bars. Brother, the man, the other one a wicked. Brother, from the rhythm, mix, lyrics, the whole thing. You see me? Structure right. A bad song. You see me? They wanna show you from the first bar, brother. Fire dog. You see me? And then the man I say, yo, you have to stop smoke because you need a calm. I say, oh, God. The dog it get hot. You see me? Jaja. Alone fire every virgin and spit like a dragon over there. You see me? Yeah. The man, so ALKALINE doing work and when the dog get to work, you see me? And the streets attack one way right and now we don't have to take back them speeches and with my body hand. That look good. That look good. I want to know, say, if Vendetta Boss is no stranger when he forward to make some hit songs and keep on listening and keep the dancehall going, you see me? And as I say still, we need to see which artist I got answer. That's a whole heap of subliminal all over the song. From the first verse to the last verse. See me? The man I say, boy, where them a brag about? The man I say, boy, that's not funny. Who all these subliminals I go to, brother? You see me? Like, we know say ALKALINE rich. You see me? The man I say, yo, the man blast every day. So where them a brag about and nothing. I'm everyday life. You see me? So, people drop it in the comment section. Start the fuckery. Who them subliminal talks you go after? Who been flossing a lot these days? Like the fucker starting out. So, you need to tell me, say, if Vendetta Boss just say, yeah, you me. Yeah, I get it, yeah, I get it, yeah, I get it, yeah, I get it. Everybody. You see me? And I just study boss go to work and I say, I even right now, them attack too much. You see me? And just burn up the studio one way, brother. Cause I know say, after that song I done, them probably have to call the fire station and say, boy, I tried that. You dog, burn down the place, bro. You see me? Yeah, man. And that I go on still, you see me? Dancehall forever and the things up. I saw things up. You see me? Yeah. It's just funny how the things that my people are saying, the dogs just put them together. You see me? Cause me could have swear, me hear the dog say, him just book a girl and ask if brought her run her. I said, blood, blood. My brother and on the filter. You see me? And that's why. You see me? Yo, yo, bad people. That segment their name. Yo, girl in them get them anthem, you know. So you know say girl in truck a pass loud this season. But yeah, I go and have my fun as a man of them kids them. I go and watch the girl in them have them time, you see me? Cause you don't know come like they fly over some of them you much girl the man them having a rotation here. The girl in them out there celebrate and I have one woman. Not good. You see me? And brother, I pause. Yeah, that be that no, in a real life, thousand woman a whole heap of woman for a shit for them, you see me? So, how much people can pull that off? And in a realistic life, they can keep up with 1,000 man. Some man can even balance a day with one man. Must just say about 1,000 man. But me I tell you say, I left that the gallus thing to cause be a top notch gallus brother of a thought, brother. Yo, a big talk here, sir, cause top gallus. Just how much woman you have so about so you know what I mean. I'll got about 1,000. So message to the girls in them. Who want hang off like girls in truck when it a pass and I make the extra nice and you know. The girl in community have a flag, we don't know yet. But them a celebrate your fuck. And me I say, yo, you know say Alkaline they really do his song, you know, girl in brother. The man just use it as a style. But now the girl in them outside I celebrate like say boy Independence Day brother. Never see something like this. You see me? That just show you Alkaline a create history again. You see me? That's all the girl in them face say boy. Them can celebrate too. Hey, you're right. Celebrate one time. But you have to have 1,000 girl rotate. Buckler, that rough. That man in have one girl here. A girl is a top notch girl. I say, yo, I'm have 1,000 girl rotate around. I say, why? When I think him can relate, but you better learn the lesson. And